Hi, I'm Brad Look. Welcome to the Stan Winston School of Character Arts. This is A to Z Tabletop Prosthetics. This class was developed way back when I was doing a movie called Heart of Darkness. Heart of Darkness was shot in Belize, and the big problem with the show was we had to come up with the way of producing prosthetics on a daily basis on a location in a third world country. The prosthetics that I'm mentioning dealt with scarification, little wounds, little scars, little cuts, little contusions, etc. So what I've done is I've created an entire class that's developed to simplify the whole process. First step is actually creating the base that you're going to be sculpting on. Once we have the plate mold made, the next part is actually taking and sculpting out the wound. The next thing I'm going to share with you is casting this and generating basically a negative silicone mold that you can now use to make your appliances. It's like everyone's going to do this a little different, you know. If you find that you have something that works better, go for it. What I want to do is I want to pass on some knowledge that I have that will make your life as a makeup artist easier and allow you to create things that you thought maybe never were possible or maybe were beyond your skill. So let's get started.